children, welcome to our YouTube channel Math with Jeeva. This is the second video of Algebra video series. Hope all of you have watched our first video. So we discussed about basic concepts on algebra. In this video, today I am planning to discuss few questions. Any chance if you have not watched our previous video, it's better to watch before this video because you can learn few basic concepts and it's easier for you to understand today's discussion easily. And also I want to suggest, when you are watching this video, it's better to have few pieces of papers with you because when I am discussing, when I am doing the sums, I think it's better to work with me rather waiting the end of the video and you are planning to do at the end. Better if you can work with me. Right, so let's get started. The first question I am planning to discuss, so those are very similar to the examples I did in the video number 1. Look at this. X plus 4 equals to 10. Right? I want to find the value of x. Something we don't know. So I want to find the value. I have explained what are the steps we want to follow. Today I am not going to discuss those steps. So straight away I'll go to the question. I want to find the value of x. So I'll keep x here and I'll bring this 4 to the other side. He's coming with his sign. Then what happened? This is minus 4. Then x equal to 6. So that is question number 1, right? So initially I will discuss very basic questions. Then question number 2, let's say a minus 5 equals to 20, right? Then I want to find the value of a. I'll keep a this side and 20. When this 5 come to this side, what happened? Minus 5, it becomes plus 5. Then it becomes a equal 25. So this is the second question, right? Third one, look at this. 4x equal 24. Now I want to find the value of x. How can I find it? I know here 4x means 4 times x equals 24. And I want to keep x alone. Right, I'll keep x alone. Then what happened? This 4 goes to the other side, the number 4. Then it becomes 24. As this is a multiplication, when this number goes to the other side, it becomes a division. Then 24 divided by 4. Then x is equal to 6. That is question number 3. Then question number 4, look at this. P divided by 3 is equal to 6, right? Then I want to find again this unknown value, that is P. And how can I find? I want to keep this 5 alone and I'll ask this 3 to go to the other side. Since this is a division, what happened? P equals 6 times 3. Then answer will be P equals 80. These are the types of questions, examples we discussed in the previous video. Right. Now, after discussing these 4 questions, hope everybody understood what I did. I want to keep the unknown value one side, unknown figure, whatever the x, a or p, whatever the letter they have given, and I'll send the other parts to the other side. When they are moving, I told you they change the sign. They take the opposite side. If it is plus, then this is minus. Plus 4, here it is minus 4. And if it is minus 5, here it is plus 5. If it is multiplication 4, now it is division 4. If it is division 3, now it is multiplication 3. And also, in the previous video, I told you, if you have learned this earlier, you may think this is a different method which we have learned so far. Don't worry. I told you in the previous video, there are few methods to do them, solve them. But out of all these few methods, I have selected the easiest method to explain you in simple terms, right? Okay. So then let's move to question number 5. It's a little bit different. Now look at this. Children, now look at this. Earlier we had like this, 3x equal to something, only that. Now what happened? We have 3x minus 5 equal to 7. And also, can you remember, whatever the number we had, it was attached to the unknown letter. But here, there is a number which is not attached to this unknown thing. So first of all, we want to remove this 5, because normally think about this, when we are asking somebody to leave from our house, so who is the first person we are asking to leave? So either the person who is attached to our life, or somebody, a visitor, or another person who doesn't attach to our life. Who is going to leave first? Normally we ask to leave the person who doesn't have any connection with us. So now tell me, here there are 3 numbers, 3 and 5, out of which when it comes to the x, who is the closer relation, closer item is 3, because this 3 is attached to x. But this 5, he is not attached to x that much, though he is part of this side. So first I'll ask him to go to the other side, right? So I'll keep 3x as it is in this side, and I'll ask this minus 5 to go to the other side. Then what happened? It becomes plus 5. Hope everybody understood that step. So because there are 3 numbers to remove, to keep this x alone. To keep x alone, I want to remove these 2 numbers, from which I selected minus 5 first, right? Then I sent him to the other side. He changed his sign. It became plus 5. Now 3x equals 12. Right? Now this part, this equation, now it is similar to this one. Look at this. Here it is 4x equal to 24. Likewise, here it is 3x equal to 12. Right. Now this 3x is what? 3 times x equals 12. Then x equals, this is multiplication. Then what happened? 12 divided by 3, it is 4. Answer is 4. Right? Again, look at this. I want to find the value of x. For that, I want to keep x alone. And I want to remove these 2 numbers. First, I want to select whichever the number having the, that means the distance, the closer relationship, we want to keep with them. And first we send this minus 5 to the other side. It becomes plus 5. Then this is 7 plus 5, 12. And 3x equals to 12. Then 3x means 3 times x. Right? Then x equal to 12 divided by 3. The answer is 4. Right? Let's move to the next question. Question number 6. Right. Now look at this similar question. What you want to do? You want to find x. So there are 2 numbers. To keep x alone, I want to remove these 2 numbers. Which one I am going to select first to remove? Plus 3. So how can I remove plus 3? 2x I write as it is, keep as it is. Then what happened to this plus 3? When he goes to the other side, it becomes minus 3. Right? Then 2x equal to 5 minus 3, it is 2. Then 2x means 2 times x equals to 2. Then x equal to 2 divided by 2. Why I divided it by 2? Because here it is a multiplication. When he moves to the other side, what happened? It becomes a division. Then x equals to 1. Right? Okay, hope everybody understood. Now let's move to another example. Sorry. Okay, this is little bit different. Now look at this. 5x plus 2 equals 2x plus 9. Children, now what happened? So far, the questions we did, we have x letters or the unknown things in one side and the letters in the other side. Now, in this question, what happened? In this side, you can have 5x and also you can find 2x in the other side. And this side, you have a number and the other side also, you have numbers. What is the first thing we should do? Think about the practical scenario. So let's say we have two groups or else two rooms, right? And one room, so here there are two types of people and here there are two types of people. And what they want to do, tend to do, they want to shift to, they want to move to a place where they can find a person who is closer to him. So what happened, this 5x, so he is here 5x. Then what happened, this 2x, he comes to this side because here they are like terms, right? 5x and this 2x come to this side, here it is plus. So normally children, I think you know these things, let's say 2. So this 2 means what? Plus 2. But normally we don't show it, right? And another thing I want to tell you, 2.0, what does that mean? 2. 2, so we can write it 2.0. And another way we can write 2 over 1. Then another way plus 2. All these three ways tells you what? So it is number 2, right? One way you can write it as a decimal 2.0. As a fraction you can write 2 over 1. And here what I have done, I have written it with the sign, that is plus 2. Here also this 2x means plus 2x. Then when he comes to this side, it becomes minus 2x. Then what happened? 9, this plus 2, go to the other side, minus 2. Now look at that, what I did. I collected or else I separate the like terms together. Okay, then 5x minus 2x, it is 3x. Then 9 minus 2, it is 7. Then 3x means 3 times x equal to 7. X equal to 7 divided by 3. Why? Here it is a multiplication and it is a division. Either you can keep your answer like this, 7 over 3, or you can convert. Children, can you remember in fractions? We are going to discuss a fraction series separately. Till then, try to understand what is this. This is an improper fraction, right? So, 7 is larger than 3. So, this is an improper fraction. Either you can keep your answer like this or else you can convert this into what? A mixed number. How can you convert? It is like this. For your information, shall I show how I convert this improper fraction to mixed number? Look at this. 7 over 3 means 7 divided by 3. Right? 3 times 2, 6. Then 7 minus 6 is 1. 2 remaining 1. Now can you understand? How can you convert it? So 7 over 3 means 7 divided by 3. Right? Then here this 2. Then how can I convert a mixed number? 2, 1 over 3. Then how can I convert this into improper fraction? 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7 over 3. Right? Okay. Then let's move to the next example. It is 9 plus 1 equals 4 minus 4x. Right. Tell me what you can do. Again, the same scenario. Here you have 9 and x. Here you have 4 and x values. What you can do, you can collect or you can separate like things together. How can you do that, children? You keep this x as it is and you bring this minus 4x to this side. Minus 4x brings to this side, what happened? Plus 4x. Then you write this 4 as it is, which was in this side earlier. Then you ask this plus 9 to come to this side. It becomes 9 minus 9. X plus 4x, it is 5x. Then write 4 minus 9. Now tell me what is the answer. 2 plus 3, what is the answer? 5, right? Then let's say like this. 6 plus 3, what is the answer? It is 9. Okay? 6 minus 3, what is the answer? 3. Now tell me. Here, actually this is what? Plus. Plus 6 plus 3 plus 9. Plus 6 minus 3 plus 3. Now what I did, right? Now look at this. Minus 6 minus 3. Children, what is the answer? Minus 9. Minus 6 plus 3. What is the answer? Minus 3. What I did there. Now tell me. Here. Now tell me, can you see something similar? 6 and 3. 6 and 3. Answer is 9, 9. But here plus 9 and here minus 9. Why is that? Plus 6 plus 3 plus 9. Minus 6 minus 3 minus 9. Why is that? The similar signs. Can you remember? Very basic things you have learned in your lower grades. Look at this. Plus, plus. You want to add them together and you put that common sign. Here minus, minus, same signs. You add them together, 6 plus 3, 9, and you use the common sign. And look at this. Now what happened? 3, 3. Here what happened? Plus 6 minus 3, minus 6 plus 3. That means you have opposite sign. If you have opposite sign, what you do? You take the difference, 6 minus 3, 3, and you use the higher value sign. This is not the way to explain this. It's a separate lesson with regard to number line. I will explain it later. For your easy reference only, I explain like this. Right? Okay. And this one, again, minus 6 plus 3, different. Then what you want to do? You want to get the difference, 6 minus 3, 3, and you put the sign of the higher value. Okay? So, quickly I'll do another one. No, we will discuss with this. Here, 4 minus 9. Tell me what is the answer. Plus 4 minus 9. What happened now? Different sign. If it is different sign, what you are supposed to do? You want to take the subtraction. That means 9 minus 4, 5. And what is the sign you are going to use? The higher value sign, it is minus. So the answer should be, this is minus 5. Then 5x means 5 times x equals to minus 5. X equal to minus 5 divided by 5. Again, plus minus incident. Look at this. 4 divided by 2. Answer is 2. That is plus 4 plus 4. Okay. Minus 4 divided by minus 2. What is the answer? Plus 2. Minus 4 divided by plus 2. Answer minus 2. Plus 4 divided by minus 2. Answer minus 2. What is that? Look at that. Here plus 2 plus 2. Have you got this? Same sign. Look at this. Same sign, right? 4 divided by 2, the answer is plus. 4 divided by 2, answer is plus because these two signs are similar. Here what happened? For whatever the sign, 4 divided by 2 is 2, right? Then how about the sign? Here minus divided by plus, here plus divided by minus. So the answers are minus. Again, this is not the way to explain this. To understand this question, I did it quickly, right? Okay, then another example. 4 times 2, it is 8. How? Both are plus, right? If it is minus 4, minus 2, then what happened? Again, plus. Plus 4 minus 2, it is minus 8, right? Minus 4 plus 2, it is minus 8. Now can you understand? Plus 4 plus 2. 4 times 2 anyway 8. Then how can you select the sign? Plus 4 plus 2, you multiply them together, answer is plus. Minus 4 minus 2, again same sign, then you can have the plus sign. Here different sign, when you multiply, you get the answer minus, right? Okay, so these are the very basic thing. We have to discuss them in a separate topic. We will do them with the number line, right? So till then, now tell me, minus 5 divided by plus 5, what is the answer? Minus 5 divided by plus 5, for anyway 5 divided by 5, it is 1, and minus divided by plus, it is minus. So this is the answer, right? Hope everybody understood this, right? Okay, so this is our second video on algebra. Then day by day with the videos, we are moving to more concepts. So keep in touch with us to learn more about algebra, right? And also, before coming to the next video with algebra, you want to watch video number 1 and 2 and practice all the examples we did. Till then, see you children. Have a nice day.